Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should know the answer to this math problem. I am not giving you the answer to the X and the Y. That's for you to figure out. I'm only going to show you the improper fraction answer to this math problem. And then use that to figure out what is X and Y. So PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to multiply first. So what is 5 times 2? 10. Good job. Now let's bring that 9 minus down, divided by 8. Now looking back at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to divide first. So what is 10 divided by 8? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple and easy. Well, simple and easy, both same thing. 10 divided by 8 in a fraction form, 10 over 8. And then let's bring that minus down. And then let's bring that 9 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 9 over 1 equals 9, does not change to 9. And now I'm going to erase this part we don't need. And notice that we are subtracting two fractions with different denominators. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So I'm going to use a different color to draw the wings and antenna and the antennas and the body. So here is the first wing, 9 times 8. So what is 9 times 8? Okay, I got my fingers and my two thumbs. So I bring down the 8 down, 72. So I write 72. Good job. And then I draw the other wing. Oops, I forgot the antennas. Here's the first antenna and the second antenna. 1 times 10 is 10. And we're subtracting that. And then we draw the body. 1 times 8 is 8. So our new denominator is 8. And now we just have to subtract 72 minus 10, which is 62, right? Remember, you need I gave you the improper fraction answer, but you need to figure out what is X and Y using the improper fraction. And let me just write that answer to the other side of the board. So then I can show you the long division part. So 62 over 8. Oh, and we need to simplify that further. So let me go ahead and do that. So both numbers are even, so we're just going to half them, just like that. So what is half of 62? 31, right? Because 31 times 2 is 62, right? 2 times 1 is 2, right? Yeah, that's half of 62. And then half of 8 is what? 4. Good job. And that is it. You can't simplify this further. 31 over 4, that's the answer. 31 over 4. This cannot be simplified further. And so now we can write that over here. So 31 over 4. And now you're going to figure out what is X and Y using long division. So the 31 is the dividend that goes inside the long division symbol. And the 4 goes outside the long division symbol. And by the way, just a hint, that 4 is this 4. And then, well, you can't write the answer on my board, but put those answers in the comment section down below. And for fun, give me the decimal answer as well. Just put those answers in the comment section down below and figure out what is X and Y. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support the channel and also to subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be uploading the next video. Remember, I'm trying to upload 15 videos before midnight. So make sure you hit that like button on every single video that I upload to help me beat the clock. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Thank you. And here's a happy face. Bye. See you in the next video.